This is what my morning looks like. 1. I wake up before the world wakes up, before the noise, before the scroll. That's when I meet myself, and I always show up. 2. I make my bed, not for neatness, for momentum. Winning the first battle of the day. 3. I jump in a cold shower, discipline in 60 seconds. I can conquer comfort, I can conquer anything. 4. I go for a walk daily, no distractions, just clarity. That's where most of my ideas are born. 5. I do 1 hour of deep work, no tabs, no phone, just focus. Brutal, productive. 6. I lift heavy. It's not just physical, it's mental. Iron sharpens everything. 7. I drink water like it's my superpower, because it is. 8. I read 10 pages daily. It rewired my thinking. My brain stopped craving chaos and started craving growth. 9. I journal. Some days it's messy, some days it's deep, but every day it's honest. 10. I keep one daily promise to myself, even if it's small. That's how you rebuild self-trust. 11. No screen time first hour. Protect your mind before the world floods it. 12. I track my time. Not to be perfect, to be aware, because most people don't even know where their time bleeds. 13. I say no a lot. Not to be rude, to stay dangerous. 14. I have silence every night. No music, no content. Just me and the weight I carry. That's where healing happens. 15. I move daily. Even when I'm tired, motion destroys stagnation. 16. I eat clean. Not for abs, for energy, for focus, for war. 17. I keep a clean space. Outer chaos equals inner chaos. I clean like my life depends on it, because sometimes it does. 18. I write down 3 wins each night. Even if the win was, I didn't quit today. 19. I talk to myself with respect. Because if I don't have my own back, who will? 20. I remind myself daily, no one's coming to save me. These 20 habits, they didn't change me overnight. They changed me slowly, painfully, permanently. It was never about motivation. It was about repetition, stacking tiny wins, building identity, evolving in silence. Because the loudest transformations happen quietly.